Well, here's a very interesting Corvette, 2003 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 hardtop with just 26,000 miles. This could be the Corvette for you. Check other details and also get the pricing on this car by clicking the link right below this video. This car is Quicksilver on the exterior, has a black interior, and under the hood 405 horsepower LS6 engine with a 6-speed manual transmission. This car is going to be fun to drive, and it is in nice condition. The factory features includes heads-up display, memory package, dual-zone electronic climate control, power driver's seat, power windows, locks, power steering, power brakes, power mirrors, tilt, cruise control, ABS, traction control, active handling, coming with a one-owner Carfax, and as we said, showing just 26,963 miles. This 2003 Corvette Z06 is in good condition. The car's paint is in good condition, has a great shine, and those factory wheels are in very good to excellent condition. And the interior of this car, well, just take a good look at it. Shows very good factory leather seats, very good steering wheel, very good to excellent center console and door panels. And the only addition to this car appears to be chrome front and rear emblems. So give us a call here at buyavette.net at 770-414-5552. We have experienced sales representatives. We can ship nationwide less expensively than you could imagine, and we do an enormous online business. You can buy online with ease and, more importantly, with confidence here at buyavette.net. So if you'd like to see this car or check out any other cars, give us a call today. We're located in Atlanta, Georgia. Stop in and see us anytime you're coming through Atlanta. We want to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Hope to hear from you really soon.